أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about jQuery. So what is jQuery? jQuery is a fast, small and feature-rich JavaScript library designed to simplify the client-side scripting of HTML. It was created by John Rizig and released in 2006. It's a library of JavaScript which we use to do our work fastly with HTML. We use HTML and JavaScript to do our work. Like DOM, we use to do work and this some advanced and we can do fastly work with this help. We can select the mixture of events and DOM because we have to use events too. jQuery makes it easier to handle events, manipulate the DOM, perform animations, and make Ajax calls with less code than using plain JavaScript. So this was the intro of jQuery. So we will understand by some examples, then we will understand properly that what is jQuery. So I have created here a HTML file. So I will write HTML structure, and here first of all, to use jQueries, we need to bring the CDN of the jQuery. So how to bring the CDN? So first open your any browser, like I will open Chrome. Then here you have to search jQuery, jQuery CDN. I will tell you how. jQuery, just CDN like this. Too many websites will come and like Google is and all you can take. So first link is came of jQuery official website. So I will go here and I will scroll down. Like here is jQuery. So we can go to another website here. CDNs are not like here. We can go. Here are CDNs. You can go in CDN.js website. Then go to the jQuery CDNs and copy from this anything. Like I will copy this tag, this script tag. I will copy. I will go to my file and here in head section I will paste it like this. So then we can use our jQuery easily. So copy 2, 3 because there are some other codes to which we can't use in some CDNs. So copy 2 to 3 CDNs and paste in the header section like this. So now we have to write our HTML here because we have to use HTML and JavaScript. So first we will make our example of, we will like hide an element. First we will make this example of hiding an element. So I will create a paragraph and I will just give here hello world like this. Then here I will create a button by which we can use, we will press it and we can hide our paragraph like data. So I will write here, I will give it an ID of hide. In button I will write button just like this simply. Now I will write here a script tag. We can create a separate file to of JavaScript, but I will use in a single file. That's why I will write here script tag, and in script tag we have to write dollar, and then like you would have learned string interpolation method. It's same like that in jQuery. This dollar meaning is jQuery. If I will write here like this J like jQuery like this. So this and this both are same. Any difference is not. You can use this when this is a shortcut to use jQuery. That's why we can use dollar sign. So I will use here document I will write because we have to print it on our browser. Then dot ready. Dot ready is a method, and so I will create a function. It's a dot ready is a method in the jQuery we use to execute our function or give an action. Here I can write action to tag this, but ready will give more sense, so I will write this function. I will create a function here because I will tell you why we are creating a function. I will just tell you. So in this function I will write our dollar and this means jQuery we wanna use, then quotes and then my ID. Which ID? My button ID. My button ID is hide, so I will write here hide. And I'm using hashtag because it is a ID. If it would be class, I will use dot. Then dot click, and then here I will create a function. I will create a function and I will give it no name, and here I will write again dollar, then string p. P is what? Our paragraph. So p dot hide, not and like this I will use. I will do one thing, that I will remove this hide and paste outside here like this. So what is happening here, I will make you understand first, then we will execute it. So first we have created a paragraph hello world, and I have created a button, it is ID, its ID is hide. So in the script tag what we have written, that dollar meaning jQuery document, meaning we want to put it on our browser document page. Then dot ready method we have used to execute our function, that get ready. Ready meaning that get ready, we will say to our JavaScript to get ready about this function, that hold this function, that read this function. Which function? Which we have given inside. We have created a function. In that function we have written that if our this hide id is clicked, dot click method we have used, and we said if our hide id meaning this button is clicked, so execute this function. So in this function is what? Hide. Which thing we wanna hide? Our p is our paragraph. So hopefully you would have understand. So when I will run it, I have already run it. As you can see, here's our hello world coming, and here's our button. When I will click the button, our hello world will hide. How? Like this. As you can see, our hello world is not there. So again I will click, so it will not work because we didn't have given other function to recover it. Just I will refresh the page and it will come here back. So like this we can use jQuery. It's very simple. If you will practice, so we can learn anything. So it is to like, as you know that we have used here events and DOM. It's similar to them but some advanced. So now we will learn like some complicated example. It's not actually complicated, but then too we can use it. That is that we will make a element, a square we will make, and that would be draggable. When we can drag it, like here I will show you. It's our button. I am clicking and moving my mouse, but it's not getting drag. We will make an example that I will drag any element and that can come in any page, in any position without style. How we will learn? So I will remove this and I will write HTML structure. Now I will just bring, because our CDNs were like this, just I will remove the inner part because we need these CDNs too. So in body I have to write, I will create a div because we have to create a square. So I will create a container and I have to give it an ID of draggable, like to make some sense that which type of container we are making. Like draggable, I will give it an ID and I will give it some styles too because we want to make a square, so we need style. I will target my ID is draggable because I want to style it like this, and here I will write width. I will give it width 100 pixel. I will give it a height because we are making square, so both height and width I will give it same. So now I will give it a background color. background color, wait, I will like this, yellow, and I will give here text, align, center. I'll give it a padding top. I will give it a padding top 35 pixel. I will give padding top 35 pixel like this. I will give. So just this much style we have to write. So now our just 2 line JavaScript we have to write now. It's very simple. Just 2 line JavaScript you have to write. So in this div I will write anything like drag me. So in our square drag me text will be written. I will write here a script tag. In script tag I will write dollar meaning our jQuery and parenthesis and document because we have to print it on our browser. That's I'm using document. Then dot ready method I will use like this. Then I will create a function. Then dollar meaning jQuery. Then I will write quotes. Then our ID name that is draggable. So like this I will write, and then I will write use a method draggable same. Like method is the same draggable. So I will copy and paste same like this. Then parenthesis. Just this much code we have to write to make our that example. Just this much. This is CDN, so ignore this one. So our just code is still here to here in just few lines, like 15 lines our code is. So I will go to my browser. So as you can see, here is a square and here is written drag me. So when I will click on it and I will move my mouse, so it should be drag. We will try to it. So it is not working. So maybe there is the issue of some CDNs. So I have some CDNs already. So I will give you in description too, so you can take CDNs from there also. Because these CDNs will work 100%. These are perfect CDNs. So I will add here extra. So now our example should work, like our code should work. So now I will refresh and I will try to drag. As you can see, it is getting drag. As you can see, where I am moving my mouse by clicking on it, it's getting drag. If I will leave here, so as you can see, it's now here, and other like code is. So if this website would be published, then too this code will work. Like here, as you can see, I'm dragging. It's how much good and cool. If I will refresh, it will come to its default position. Look, as you can see, I can move it anywhere. So jQuery is a very simple, and you will learn more courses of this, meaning more videos will to come of jQuery. So thank you guys in this video only this much. We will meet in this video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.